Welcome guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have some. In fact, I will pursue on my promise which I did in previous video that biology. Uh, some information regarding biology would be upgraded on my channel. And as you know that I was in 7th class, I was basically obsessed with this all biology. So because the information regarding the human anatomy and regarding humans, human, I mean the about organisms, I'm affiliated with these organisms, living organism. I used to it was my hobby in my childhood that I used to keep different species of plants. I am not lying to you. There were because there once I had a teacher in my fourth class named Miss Saima, and she used to she was one of the teachers that promoted me, encouraged me to uh, uh, have concentration on this subject, sciences. So today the story has begun, the biology stuff. I'm once again that Mohit which I left it, which was not making videos on biology, is back. So today we're going to study arteries, and then this is the all stuff that I have made it. Inshallah, I will make videos now because I have the book of biology. This is the O levels Marshall Cavendish, biology matters by Marshall Cavendish. So biology, yeah. So arteries. So what are arteries? So first of all, I will write some points for you, and you can even copy it as you wish. So arteries. So arteries receive blood directly from heart. As you know that I told in my video in Samilka that arteries are the one, blood are the blood vessels. Arteries are blood vessels, that receive blood directly from heart. They need to be able to withstand the immense pressure of blood as it is forced out of the heart. Because they need to withstand the forces, because the heart is a muscular organ, and it pumps the blood very hard into the arteries. So arteries walls are they're thick enough to withstand these forces directly from heart. And second, they need to withstand the forces and immense pressure of blood. Arteries have walls which are thick, muscular, and elastic. So, as I have told you that arteries are having this kind of structure, and you can see that there is a. I don't have the measurement at how thick are the walls, but but they are thick enough to withstand the forces. And arteries have walls there which are thick, muscular, and elastic. I mean, they are elastic. They can expand and spring back as well. Continuously, repeatedly. So muscular and elastic, the elastic layer is much thicker in the arteries nearest the elastic layer is much thicker. Near the heart, the elastic layer is much thicker. The thick elastic walls help to withstand the high blood pressure in the artery. The elastically enables the elasticity enables the artery wall to stretch and recoil or spring back. So now one more point we have in my bucket, and that's the thick elastic walls. The thick elastic walls enables the artery wall to stretch and recoil or spring back. Stretch and recoil or spring back. Done. Spring back. So this helps to push the blood in spurts along the artery, and also gives rise to the pulse. So this is your pulse. I mean, when you feel your pulse around the heart or your blood pressure, this is the I mean because the blood is as you know that arteries take the blood away from the heart, so obviously the pulse is you feel is the flowing of blood in your arteries. The contraction and relaxation of muscles in the arterial wall bring about constriction in dilution of the artery. Okay, so the contraction, the contraction. So the contraction process, the contraction and relaxation of muscles arterial wall constriction and dilation. When an artery constricts, when the blood flows, when it becomes shorter, when the blood the constriction, the meaning of constricts mean when an artery constricts, when it gets shorter, its you can see it, lumen is this point. Yeah, the lumen is this. Its lumen becomes narrower. It contracts narrower, and less blood flows through it per unit time. On the other hand, when an artery dilates, its lumen becomes wider, and more blood flows through it per time. Okay, so I should make a diagram over here. So as you can see that I will also name this diagram. Don't go on my painting because I know that's horrible. I mean you would be stunned by this. Okay, man. So this is this circle part is called lumen. So these are the muscles as well. In the middle layer smooth muscle, this is the middle layer smooth muscle, external layer is also present over here. And so last classification which I would write, I need a paper. I need a paper. Yeah, so this paper I found over here, and I was going to write on this, as I bought this paper for 40 rupees from the shop near me. So now we are going to talk about I can write over this page is of mine use, so I won't waste it. I can even write on something else for you all. So The last the contraction and relaxation of muscle in the artery will all bring about. So we were talking about the lumen. When an artery constricts, it's lumen. So now when an artery constricts, I mean when it gets shorter, as I've told you, the meaning of in biology are not similar to the English language, because the difference is lot between the meanings and the back history. When an artery constricts, its lumen gets shorter. Gets shorter. And when and thus less blood is flows through it per unit time. And on the other hand, and when an artery dilates, means its lumen becomes its lumen its lumen becomes its lumen becomes wider. So thanks for all the support, and please like and subscribe the channel.